Here's a small parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. White, just seeing there, sometimes there's light reflecting. It's not super gem quality material, but it's large pieces, so I think you could make some nice rustic type pendants out of. Mind you, once you grind this down a little bit, you might find that there is a better colour bar there. You can see the green on the bottom. Either way, they need to be tidied up a bit before you make a decision. That piece, for example, is a little bit wavy, so I'm not sure what you're going to get with that piece. But they're nice and large pieces that you can hold with your fingers without having to dop them up. Semi-crystal piece. Just going to clutch these two pieces, I think. Oh, that's a nice layer just underneath that top there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.